What's up, guys? Instacart Strategies, back at it again. Instacart shoppers, Ship shoppers, DoorDash shoppers, or whatever it is you guys are calling yourself these days. Today's video is kind of just an update video. Instacart released their new app update. Let me know what you guys think of it. I kind of like the design of it, but so far I haven't had very good luck with it. It's kind of been giving me issues, like if I'm actually in a batch, as I'm shopping, it'll just randomly kick me out. So I'm guessing there's just some bugs that they have to fix. So I'll give them the benefit of the doubt, and we'll wait for a few days on that to see if that gets better. And I'll update you guys and let you know what the community has been saying about it. The second thing I wanted to discuss was the sweepstakes. We did reach our goal of 100 subscribers over the weekend. It's happening a little faster than I expected. But as promised, I am giving away $100 to one of the subscribers / commenters over the past 7 days. How I'm gonna do it is get like a bucket or whatever. Just write down all the comments or all the names from everyone who has commented that isn't a bot, and I'll shake it up, bada bing, bada boom, and we'll just pull out, we'll just pull out the name. Whoever wins, I'll get in contact with them and we'll go from there. I'll probably put that in the next video. The third thing I wanted to talk about was a batch that I did earlier at Costco. Just kind of tips. I took a screen recording of doing the batch, actually doing the batch. I will put the whole thing on here, but it's kind of just long, and I don't know, unless I decided to do a voice recording over it, which I'm not planning on doing right now. I'm kind of tired. It was a long day. I did 7 batches. It was rough, but I had to make it happen. My rating's down to 4.96. Is what it is. I'm not complaining. I met the quota, so it's all good. Instacart Strategies, get at me on Instagram. Get at me on the Clubhouse platform. Look me up, Instacart Strategies, on TikTok. Pretty much everywhere, man. I mean, we going global. I'm pushing this thing out. You guys can rock with me. We are going to be giving away $100. I want to say weekly, but we might do it bi-weekly, just to kind of push this channel and this community where it belongs. I can't go for the slow build. I like it now. Maybe that's just the millennial in me. I don't know. But comment below. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you don't like. This is a community, so if you guys have any ideas for any videos you want to see in the near future, just let me know. I'm down to make whatever. I'm still learning the editing thing, so it's all just fun for me. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, Instacart Strategies. I'm out. Hey, what's up? Oh, you waiting for me to talk? Oh, okay, I got you. What's up, guys? It's Instacart Strategies, back again. DoorDash shoppers, Ship shoppers. What's up, guys? It's Instacart Strategies, back at it again. Today was pretty solid, no complaints about it. Instacart laid out a new app